Everyone, welcome to Akshara IIT Foundation. This is Srinivas, your maths faculty. Let us move to the today's class. Right. So we are continuing the properties of quadrilaterals today. I think we have already completed trapezium, parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square. So sixth type of quadrilateral is nothing but kite. So we need to discuss about the type of quadrilateral kite. So kite is a somewhat different quadrilateral. That means while you wanted to check about the tree diagram, in that quadrilateral, that means we have already discussed there are two different type of quadrilateral, convex and concave quadrilateral. And convex quadrilateral, there are again 6 types of quadrilaterals. Okay, na? So in convex quadrilateral, there are 6 types of quadrilaterals are there. Among that, first we discuss about the trapezium. Trapezium means one pair of opposite sides are parallel. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. This arrow marks represents the parallel line, pair of parallel lines. And two pairs of opposite sides are parallel, nothing but parallelogram. Two pairs of opposite sides are parallelogram. These two are parallel and these two sides are parallel. Okay. In a parallelogram, one angle is 90 degrees, it becomes rectangle. That means rectangle can be the family of parallelogram. That means the rectangle follows all the properties of a parallelogram. Okay. Same way, all sides of a parallelogram equal, then it can be rhombus. All sides of a parallelogram equal, it can be rhombus. Okay. In a rhombus, each angle 90 degrees becomes a square. Each angle 90 degrees becomes a square. And last, kite. Kite is nothing but a quadrilateral. Two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. That means these two sides are having equal length and these two sides are having equal length. So kite is nothing but two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. And here the properties of kite. We are discussing about the properties of kite. One pair of opposite angles equal. For example, if you take that ABCD is a kite, angle B and angle D are opposite angles which measures equal. Okay, na? Opposite angles are equal. Only one pair, but not all. And the diagonals intersect perpendicularly. Diagonals AC is a diagonal and BD is a diagonal. Diagonals intersect perpendicularly, and also one diagonal is going to bisect. One diagonal is bisecting. Okay, na? So this is about the properties of a quadrilateral. First property, one pair of opposite angles are equal, and the second property, the diagonals are intersect perpendicularly and one diagonal is bisecting here. One diagonal is bisecting here. Okay, na? Right. That means OD distance, OB distance equal. Angle B equals to angle D according to opposite angles are equal. That means one pair of opposite angles are equal. Okay. Right. This is about the quadrilaterals and their properties. Now let us go to the concept based questions here. That's synopsis 5. First question, first concept based question is, in a parallelogram ABCD. So there is a parallelogram ABCD is given. So A, B, C, D. While you're taking also, we should follow one order, whether it is clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. Okay. So A, B, C, D. Okay. Right. And here given that angle A equals to angle B. Angle A equals to angle, that means let us take angle x is equals to, that means angle A is equal to x. So as well as according to the given problem, angle B is equals to x. And we know opposite angles are equal in parallelogram. That means angle C is also x, angle D is also x. We know already sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. But we know that all angles are equal. So 4x equals to 360 degrees. Then x is equals to 360 degrees by 4. Nothing but 90 degrees. So the parallelogram can be rectangle. Okay, now? Right. So let us move on to the second problem. In a parallelogram, again, the diagonals intersect at O. In a parallelogram, the diagonals intersect at O. That means, let me draw the diagonals. Yeah, both are intersecting at O. Okay. OA equals to, let me take the parallelogram ABCD. Let me take the parallelogram ABCD. O is a intersecting point of both of the diagonals. Okay. OA equals to 2x plus 15. O to A distance. OA equals to 2x plus 15 degrees. And OC equals to 10x minus 9. OC equals to 10x minus 9. So we know the length of the diagonal here. AO distance and OC distance we know. So let us bring the means properties of a parallelogram. What is the property of a parallelogram? According to the diagonals, diagonals bisect each other. Bisecting is nothing but dividing into two equal parts. That means we know that OA distance equals to OC distance because diagonal is bisecting into two equal parts. Bisecting or dividing into two equal parts. So AO distance is nothing but 2x plus 15, that is equals to OC distance is 10x minus 9. So while you are observing both sides we are having the variables, let us bring all the variables one side and all the numericals one side. Okay. Now right hand side the variable value is more 10x. Now I am transposing 2x that side, becomes minus 2x. Okay. Already left hand side we are having 15. Now minus 9 transpose here becomes plus 9. So 15 plus 9 is 24. That is equals to 10x minus 2x is 8x. So simply x value 8 is multiplying, when you transpose it is going to divide. So 8 table 24 will come exactly in 3 times. So therefore the x value is 3 centimeters. If the measurements are given in centimeters. If the measurements are given in meters, we should take meters. But you are asking about AC distance. So once you find that x value is 3, we should find AC distance. AC distance means AO plus OC, total distance. So let me write the, I think this place is enough. Right. So we need to find AC distance. So AC equals to, AC is nothing but AO plus OC. AO value 2x plus 15 and OC value 10x minus 9. So add both of them. 2x plus 10x becomes 12x. 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9 is nothing but 6. So 12x plus 6 value we should find. We already know the 12x, x value is 3, 12 into 3, 12 3s are 36, 36 plus 6, 42. Therefore, AC distance equals to 42. Yeah, last option, nothing but option number 4. Okay. Now, let us move on to the question number 3. Okay. Right, the question number is, that's up. Parallelogram ABCD. Again, the question is belongs to parallelogram. Here angle A, angle B is given, angle C we need to find it. Okay. So let us take that ABCD is a parallelogram. I am trying to draw a rough diagram ABCD parallelogram. Okay. Now angle A, angle B, Both of them are given. So we need to find angle C. Right. So angle A is equals to x plus 13. Angle A is equals to x plus 13 and angle B equals to 2x plus 17. Angle B value is 2x plus 17. So we know that sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram is supplementary. That means sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram is 180 degrees according to the property of a parallelogram. So from this we have to write that we know that angle A plus angle B both are adjacent angles equals to 180 degrees. A value x plus 13 degrees plus B value 2x plus 17. That is equals to 180. Just add the like terms here. X 2x. Both are positive values. Add with plus symbol. X plus 2x becomes 3x. And 13 plus 17 becomes 30. Equals to 180 degrees. Now 3x equals to plus 30 transpose that side becomes minus 30. 180 minus 30 is 150. So 3x value is 150. Then x value is 150 by 3. So 3 table 50 times. So I found only x value. We need to find angle C. Angle C is nothing but opposite to angle A. That means if you know angle A, we can find angle C also, because both angles are equal according to the property of a parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal in parallelogram. So find angle A. Now angle A is equals to, angle A means x plus 13, x value 50 plus 13. 50 plus 13 is nothing but 63. This is the measurement of angle A. Okay, so let us move on to the problem number 4. Right, that is given that ABCD is a parallelogram, angle A 120 degrees, then angle B plus angle D. ABCD is a parallelogram. I am not taking again the diagram, so this diagram I am going to use it. Angle A 120 degrees. We need to find angle B and angle D. Sum of B and D. Okay. So from the given figure we can take that angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degrees. Both of them having the same condition I am applying, because adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Angle A already 120. Then angle B value is nothing but 60 degrees, because plus 120 transpose that side becomes minus 120. 180 minus 120 is 60 degrees. So angle B 60 degrees. Angle D, angle B both are equal according to property of a parallelogram. Opposite angles equal. That means angle D also 60 degrees. Now we need to find angle B plus angle D. So 60 plus 60, 120. 60 plus 60 equals to 120. Completed. Okay. So let us move on to the next question. Yeah, question number 5. So in a rectangle, now this time rectangle is given. Rectangle ABCD, AB 4 centimeters, BC 3 centimeters. So let me draw the rough diagram rectangle ABCD. AB is 4 centimeters. AB is 4 centimeters. BC is 3 centimeters. Okay, right. So then AC value. AC is nothing but length of the diagonal. Now, while you are observing here, ABC is a right angle triangle, because in a rectangle each angle is 90 degrees. Now I am taking the triangle ABC to find the diagonal value AC. Okay na? So according to triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, so we can use the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. Here hypotenuse is nothing but AC. So AC square is equal to side 4 centimeters 4 square, 3 centimeters 3 square. 4 square value is 16 plus 3 square value is 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. So AC square is equals to 25. AC is equal to square root of 25. So AC value 5. AC value is 5. Okay? Because 25 is nothing but 5 square. Plus or minus 5 will come, but length of the side is not a negative. We have to take only the positive value 5. Right. So let us move on to the question number 6. Right. The sixth problem is again a rectangle ABCD. AC and BD are diagonals intersect at O. Then OAB value 40 degrees. Then OCD value we need to find. So same, I am using the same diagram for both of them. ABCD is a rectangle. AC and BD are diagonals intersect at O. AC, BD intersect at O. And also given that OAB equals to 40 degrees. OAB means this one. O to A to B. OAB is equals to 40 degrees. Okay. And OCD value we need to find. OCD, this value we need to find. So OCD value also 40 degrees we can say directly, because AB and CD are parallel. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal and parallel also. And if you take the parallel lines like this, and the diagonal will be the transversal. We have already discussed that transversal. Alternate interior angles are equal for parallel lines. So these two angles can be equal by alternate interior angles. Okay now? Alternate interior angles. So from this, angle A and angle C both are OAB, and angle OCD both are 40 degrees. Okay, there is no change. So option number 4. Now question number 7, that is ABCD is a rectangle. O is the interior point of rectangle. Seventh question. ABCD is rectangle. O is interior point of a rectangle. So interior point is nothing but it is placed between interior part of a rectangle. That means we don't know exactly where it is. It can be any place in interior. Okay. Now, if OA value 3 centimeters, OC value 4 centimeters. OA value 3 centimeters, OC value 4 centimeters. Am I right? Yeah, OA 3 centimeters, OC 4 centimeters. Then OB square plus OD square. We have already proved that in a previous class. So you can check if you have any doubts about it. If you take any interior point O like this, OA square equals to OA square plus OC square equals to OB square plus OD square. We need to find OB square plus OD square. But we know OA value 3, so 3 square plus OC square value 4, 4 square. 3 square value 9, 4 square value 16, nothing but 25. Therefore, OB square plus OD square value is 25. Okay now? Right. So problem number 8. That is, ABCD is a rhombus. ACBD or diagonals intersect at O. So 8th problem about rhombus. Rhombus we know all sides are equal. Diagonals bisect perpendicularly. Now the intersecting point of diagonals is O. O is given. ABCD is a rhombus. Okay? Right. Yeah, if area of triangle OBC 6 square centimeters. OBC area is 6 square centimeters or centimeter square. OBC area 6 square centimeters. Then the area of the rhombus. what will be the area of the rhombus. So any other measurements we know? We know about the rhombus, all sides are equal and diagonals bisect perpendicularly. Diagonals also bisect perpendicularly, and we know opposite angles also equal. So from this we have to identify that the rhombus dividing into 4 equal triangles. That means 4 triangles with equal areas. So from this rhombus area will be 4 times of area of triangle OBC. That is equals to 4 into 6, 24 centimeter square. Area of rhombus equals to 24 centimeter square. So question number 9. Yeah. So the 9th problem is given that the side of square ABCD is 5 centimeters. We know already about square. Square, all sides are equal, all angles are equal, diagonals equal and bisect perpendicularly. They are the properties of square. Now here each side 5 centimeters and the length of the diagonal. Yeah, length of the diagonal. So each side is 5 centimeters. We can take here 5, here 5. And use this triangle. We need to find the diagonal length, no? So according to the right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. So side value 5, 5 square value 25 and 5 square value 25. So 25 plus 25 is nothing but 50. But hypotenuse value we need to find. So square root of 50. So we can write 50 as 2 into 25. 25 also can be expressed as 5 into 5. So whenever you see in a square root, 2 same numbers are multiplied, one number will come without the square root and remaining is root 2. So 5 root 2 is the hypotenuse or diagonal of square. Okay now. So please check. So we are going to next problem. Right, ABCD is a parallelogram. AB is 5 centimeters. ABCD is parallelogram. Yeah, ABCD is parallelogram. AB is 5 centimeters. BC is 4 centimeters. AB value 5, BC value 4 centimeters. Okay, right. So then the value of AC square plus BD square. AC square plus BD square. In our previous class, we already discussed that sum of the squares of all sides of parallelogram is equals to sum of the squares of their diagonals. That means AC is a diagonal, BD is a diagonal. Sum of the square of both diagonals equals to sum of the squares of all sides. AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square. This is, we know, we have already discussed in our previous class. Okay. So we know already opposite sides are equal in parallelogram also. So from this AB value 5, 5 square, BC value is 4, 4 square, again CD value 5 square, DA value 4 square. So 5 square value 25, 4 square value 16, again 5 square value 25 and 16. So 25 plus 25 50 and 16 plus 16 32, nothing but 82. 82 is our required answer. Yeah, let us move on to the problem number 11. Yeah, 11th problem is given that the 11th problem is ABCD is a parallelogram. AC and BD are diagonals intersect at O and OA equals to 5 centimeters. Parallelogram, both the diagonals are intersecting at O. OA equals to 5 centimeters. Okay, na? Yeah, OA equals to 5 centimeters. Then OC. OC also 5 centimeters, because in parallelogram diagonal is bisecting. That is also 5 centimeters. That's it. Very easy problem. Let us move on to the problem number 12. Okay. The 12th one, ABCD is a parallelogram. Same diagram I am going to take. Angle A 50 degrees. Angle A is 50 degrees. And angle B we need to find. We know the parallelogram property. Sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram is supplementary, nothing but 180 degrees. A value 50 degrees plus angle B is equals to 180. So angle B is equals to 180 minus 50. How much? That will be 130 degrees. Okay, na? Yeah, please check. Right, that's it for today, children. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.